This shortcut will help you record voice memos, make minutes of meeting, and send to the recipients that you want pass. Okay, let us create a new shortcut and search for action. Choose from menu. We will give two options in this one for recording voice memo, and the second one is for making the minutes. It will prompt you whenever you run the shortcut. It will prompt you with two actions. You have to choose the first option to record the minutes, then the second option to make the minutes. Choose record audio and run immediately on tab. Now we are going to save this audio file. Save the recorded audio. Turn off ask where to save. Choose the file path and overwrite. If file exists, turn it on. Now we are going to transcribe the audio. We are going to extract the text from the audio and make minutes of the meet. So right now I have not saved any audio, so it is not showing anywhere. First, let me run the first block and record the audio. Then we will be able to pick the file. Record meeting. I recorded a simple 30-second audio for testing purpose. Save the recorded audio. Now we are going to pick the audio file and transcribe it. The file is the meet.m4a. We are going to pick this file and transcribe the audio file to a text file. Now search for text action. And from ChatGPT I have a prompt. I'm going to paste that prompt. Now we are going to use ChatGPT to make minutes of meeting for us. Go for ask ChatGPT and give the content. First choose the audio file, transcribed audio, and then choose the prompt text. Now we are going to send mail. Choose mail action and get it inside the block. So here we are going to give subject as minutes, and we are going to choose the mail recipients. You can send it to your colleagues, whoever you want to send the minutes. For testing purpose, I am choosing my own mail ID. So when you run the prompt minutes of the meeting, so ChatGPT will extract the text, make the minutes of the meeting, and it will give you the result like this. It will also send the email. So it is going to send the email.